And now exercises for body contact. So we start with vertical balance individually and we go forward with the center and backwards with the center. We go forward and then we go back. Now if we stand closer between us, approximately 15 centimeters, then we have this same distance here, and we will try with knees and center go together and create body contact. Again, now we are vertical and now we go vertically forward and create body contact. Then we connect arms. Now we can start to move together. I go forward, now lady goes forward, and whoever goes forward keeps positive body contact. It's like this. I push lady, and now lady, when she goes forward, pushes me. So in this way we have positive contact, and this arm this time represents our body. Let's try again. Forward and back, forward and back, and all the time we have positive body contact. When we move to side, we need to have some angle that we can still push each other with body contact. So in this case, man goes forward and push lady, and now vice versa, lady pushes man. Let's try together. On one side, on other side, but we keep all the time positive right front to right front. Now let's look at natural turn and close change. Natural turn, man starts forward, so man will push forward. Now is turn, and end of first bar, lady will create positive body contact. We continue, lady goes forward, now we turn and we change, and man continues with body contact. Also in close change, man goes forward. Let's do again from opposite direction. Man will start forward and push lady in contact, then we turn, and at the end of first bar, lady will create positive contact towards man, continues forward, and now we change because man will go with positive contact towards lady, and in close change man goes forward towards lady. And now we create statically body contact and dance 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again, we create positive body contact statically. We connect bodies, then connect arms, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And we continue with open telemark and wing. Man starts with left foot forward to side around lady's heel, turn, brush to side in promenade. Now in promenade with right foot step forward and close without weight, leading lady around to left side. Now lady steps, lady starts with right foot, she goes back, then closes feet in heel turn, now to side in promenade, and now forward in promenade, forward and forward outside partner, so that lady finishes in left side of man. Now with the count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's look how we create this contact. Man goes forward, positive contact, turns around lady. Now lady goes forward and goes around man, keeping positive contact. And next step will be for man, forward outside partner on her left side. And again, man obviously starts with positive contact by moving forward. Now in promenade, lady goes forward and then around man with positive contact in wing position. And from wing position, next step will be forward on lady's left side. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And step forward on 1. And again. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1. Let's look at open telemark from wing position and then Fallaway natural turn. Man starts with left foot forward outside partner on left side, then to side brush, to side in promenade position, forward in promenade position, forward in promenade position, back in Fallaway position, back in Fallaway position, back, and then to side and slightly forward. And now let's look at lady's steps. Lady starts from wing position with right foot, back in CBMP, closing feet in heel turn, to side in promenade, forward in promenade position, forward in promenade position, back in Fallaway position, back in Fallaway position, closing feet, and to side and slightly back. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's look again how we create body contact. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now with body contact and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Remember principle, who goes forward creates more positive body contact. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at whole routine to music. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.